Here a receptacle is added to the three-way circuit. It is not controlled with the switches, but is instead always hot. There is a two-wire cable running from the switch number 1 to the outlet receptacle. The source, hot, neutral, and ground are spliced to that two-wire cable that runs to the new outlet. The three-way switches and light are then wired in the usual way which we've already looked at, with a common on switch number 2 spliced to the source, hot, and the common on switch number 1 connected to the hot terminal on the light fixture. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site. My stands for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB.